Hello, it's Gail at Collier-Seminole State Park near Naples, and I've been paddling through here. I went yesterday as well as today, and it's just a beautiful state park. I'm camping in a tent nearby, and I'll just show you. See this piece here? Yesterday I was paddling here and I heard this slapping sound and whooshing sound. I couldn't figure out what it was coming from behind me. And then all of a sudden, right in front of me, just about 20 feet, up came a dolphin. He was porpoising, going up and down, slapping its tail. It was pretty exciting. I wasn't sure what it was though at the time. But anyway, here's Gail, and here's my lovely paddle boat that I am navigating the internal parts. They all look the same, all these roots, these mangrove roots. Amazing. Anyway, hope you're having a wonderful day. Cheers.